Hey guys, today I'm going to be doing a tutorial on how to do your makeup. So yeah guys, I got all my stuff here and we're going to be doing a great video today. So yeah guys, hope you guys love this video. If you do, please like down below, comment, and I love all my subscribers. Love you guys. Mwah! Hey guys, okay guys, so we are in the same timestamp as we did the eyebrow tutorial, so my eyebrows are the same. So okay guys, so I'm going to teach you guys how to do perfect CoverGirl makeup. So the products we're going to use today is my CeraVe moisturizing cream, which I put on before I do my makeup, and then I put on my Revlon Photo Ready Prep Set Refresh spray before you put on your foundation. And I also like, if I have little acne spots, I'll put my Yes 2 charcoal acne spot treatment on, so that when my makeup is on, my makeup is not so fluffy on. So let's get started. Okay guys, so we're going to use today L'Oreal Paris Infallible 24-hour fresh wear, cruelty-free, vegan. Love this stuff. It's also got sunscreen on it, so it's really good when you're going to the beach. Okay guys, so the brush I'm going to use is the e.l.f. complexion brush. I will put all this stuff in the bottom links so you guys can go buy some. So you just want to squirt, like I like to do, at least a few on your skin, and then you're just gonna, you guys can use this or makeup sponge or like whatever you guys use for your makeup. And then you just want to put that on. Now guys, as you guys can tell, this makeup looks really natural, so it looks kind of matches my side. You kind of want to do the same thing on the other side. Kind of want to make sure you don't mess up your edges. Alright guys, and then we're just gonna do that. Alright guys, I'm going to pause this video and finish my foundation. Alright guys, I'm back. Okay guys, so the foundation is done. My foundation looks really natural. I really try not to put too much coating unless I'm going to like a very celebrity birthday party. But yeah guys, so then you just want to put a little bit of moisturizing cream over it. Now I can do this because this stuff doesn't rub off and my face feels so smooth after I do this, and it looks more natural.
Alexa, stop.
And then you just want to do, sorry guys, we have a lot of AIs going off. Okay.
This device is at volume 10.
Alright guys, so that's done, and now you just want to spray.
That command doesn't work on this device.
That's a little too much spray. Okay guys, so now we're going to use my Wet n Wild highlighting powder, vegan, cruelty free. I love using this stuff. And now we're going to use a e.l.f. powder brush, and you're just gonna powder my nose. I love my nose when it's so shiny. It looks super good. And then you want to put a little bit on your corners of your eyes because it makes you look really shiny, and then a little bit up here. A little bit on your cheeks. And then you have enough. My nose is not shiny enough. Shine it a little bit more. Okay. Alright guys, so now we're going to do our eyeshadows. Now I really love mixing my eyeshadows, but today I'm going to do just a special one for you guys. So let's see. Let's use our 18 Hit Wonders from e.l.f. I really love e.l.f. guys. A lot of my stuff is e.l.f. So now we're just going to use, let's see which one I need. This e.l.f. eyeshadow C brush, and we're just going to get a little bit of the Danger. Can you guys see? A little bit of the Danger eyeshadow. And you just want to smooth it on your eye. Whoa guys, this looks really dangerous. Wow guys, okay. Coming out really good. Just so you guys know, I was scared to do a video like this because I've only been doing my makeup for like 2 years, so Wow guys, this is Danger. I haven't really used it before. You guys want to make sure you get that crevice in your eye because then it'll look way more professional. Oh wow guys, this makeup look is coming out really good. Okay, now do a little bit down here. Extra. I know guys, I look a little bit crazy right now. There you go. Okay guys, so now we're going to get a different brush. And we're going to do a different color. So let's do let's do this silver. They call it vibrant. So let's do that with this. It'll make it look really, really good. Guys, I really like mixing my makeup, so that's why I'm mixing it. My mom taught me a lot about makeup. She does her makeup so well. Alright guys, so let's add a little bit of gold to it, because that's how I am guys. I'm really like into like mixing the colors, and I feel like it'll look really, really good. So guys, this makeup look does not take too long. And just so you guys know, I do not wear makeup every day. I put my eyelashes on, which I plan to get eyelash extensions in my eyelashes so I don't have to get it. My mom thinks it's a crazy idea. She's not paying for it, I am. So okay guys, so that's the eyes. Came out really, really good. Fix that little bit of corner. Okay, my eyes came out really, really well. I'm very surprised. So now guys, for the lip, I normally would just put a simple lip gloss on it, but today guys, for you guys, I'm gonna put on my e.l.f. liquid matte lipstick. I really love matte lipstick. So you just want to line it well. Guys, you want to make sure that you get this lip really well. Now, if you guys want to do like a bigger lip, just do this. Like that. And do a little corner. Dab it a little bit. Alright guys, so that's that. Guys, I don't really wear blush on my face, so I'm not gonna put any blush on today. But so yeah, so let's finish our makeup up a little bit. So we're just gonna add a little bit more of this pressed powder just to make our cheeks look really, really shiny. So guys, comment down below what your makeup tips are, because I always love learning new types to do my makeup. Now guys, I'm just gonna add a little bit of foundation down here so that my neck looks like my makeup on my face. There we go. Alright guys, so this guys is the finishing look. What do you guys think? Does it look good? I think it looks freaking fabulous. My makeup is looking really good, guys. And then for our finishing touch, we want to add some Makeup Obsession Lightning Glow. It just really puts a sparkle to the makeup. And then there you go, guys. So all the products I use, I'm going to show you guys the products that I used. Again, I used this foundation, L'Oreal Infallible 24-Hour Wear. I also use this Revlon Photo Set Ready Repeat Spray. I also used my e.l.f. palette, Earth and Ocean, and my e.l.f. Eyeshadow palette, 18 Hit Shadows. Also use this Wet n Wild highlighting powder. I also use this Revlon Brow Fantasy Gel. Also use this Photo Focus Concealer. Also use these fabulous e.l.f. brushes. Love them. Also, I use this e.l.f. Liquid Matte Lipstick. So yeah, and I also use this CeraVe Moisturizing Cream. And I also use my Arches and Halos Tonya Crooks Professional Brow. So you guys, so I hope you enjoyed this makeup tutorial. So guys, make sure if you have not seen my eyebrow tutorial that came before this video, go watch it. And I hope you guys have a great new year. Make sure to subscribe down below, hit the notification bar, follow my podcast, subscribe, well, spill that tea. Make sure you guys follow me on all socials. All the links are down below. So yeah, guys, love you all. Mwah.